welcome back to our channel today. And in today's video, what we'll be doing, we'll be installing a new deck. So we're going to be removing the old one and we're going to install this new one. It's a Pioneer MVH300EX. So we read reviews, we watched YouTube videos, and most of the reviews are positive reviews. So it's a 4.9 on Amazon. So we're going to work with this one. Also, we finally are able to install this new interface from the dash, and also we'll be wrapping it just to match the interior that we did in our previous video. So finally we get to move on with the process. So remember, if you're new to the channel, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you're returning, continue to drop your comments and your likes. It's helpful, so continue watching the process. Okay guys, so we're gonna open the box. We're gonna see what comes inside. We're gonna see all the things that they put in. So here we have the wire harness, and this is a USB connector for your phone. And also this is a microphone. Also here are the manuals and warranty papers and stuff like that. So here is how it looks. It's pretty lightweight though, so I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's pretty light. Hopefully can do what it's supposed to do, because it's pretty lightweight. But we're still gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try to put this one in and then see how it works. Okay guys, so I finally did the connection of the wires. I haven't wired the speaker wires as yet, but I did the power for the deck, for the interface. So I'm just gonna turn it on to make sure it comes on. Okay guys, so the deck turned on and it's looking good. The reaction time is pretty fine. It's pretty quick. As you touch it, it moves. So guess that's a good start. Okay guys, so I've wired all the speaker wires for the doors, left side and the right side. They're all connected and soldered together. So I'm just gonna try to put it back in the deck right now in the face and then install the new panel. Okay guys, so this is it, finally installed. We had some issues connecting the harness, so we had to get an harness adapter to get it to work. So this is the result, sitting nice, clean all around.
Damage music. DJ production. The Buffalo.
So it works All the doors are working. Everything is correct. So we're gonna remove this panel again to do the wrap, and then we're gonna have to replace the hazard lights. So this is where it is. This is where we're gonna end off. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.